Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Encountering Tally error code 0 can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access your important financial data. This error usually points to an issue with your company data files, often caused by unexpected system shutdowns or sudden power failures. But don't worry, it's a common problem, and with a few simple steps, you can often get your Tally working smoothly again. We're here to help you understand the root cause and guide you through the fixes. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start with some foundational checks. First, confirm your Tally data path is accurate and that the folder containing your company's information is both present and accessible. Incorrect paths or missing folders can prevent Tally from loading correctly. Also, remember that a quick computer restart can often clear up temporary software conflicts, providing a fresh start for your application. Now, let's move on to some direct troubleshooting. A crucial step is to run Tally as an administrator. This often resolves permission-related access issues that can trigger error 0. Also, confirm that Tally was shut down correctly during its last use, as improper closures are a common culprit. Lastly, Tally has a helpful built-in utility to verify company data, which can identify and sometimes fix minor corruptions within your files. If basic steps don't resolve it, it's time for more advanced recovery. You can try using a special command, Tally exe data, which attempts to rewrite your company data files. This often fixes underlying structural issues. Critically, always create a complete backup of your Tally data * before * attempting this, just to be safe. For persistent or severe corruption, reaching out to a professional Tally data recovery expert might be your wisest next step. To prevent error code 0 from returning, focus on good data practices. Regular backups are your best defense against data loss. Schedule them often. Always ensure Tally is closed correctly before powering down your system, as improper shutdowns are a common cause of data corruption. Keeping your Tally software updated also provides stability and bug fixes, contributing to a smoother experience overall. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to manage your Tally data confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.